Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're done playing Roblox and want to delete your account permanently, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process, and don't worry, it works on both the mobile app and computer. So, let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Privacy and Content Maturity. Now, Roblox might ask you to log in again here for security purposes, so go ahead and enter your credentials if needed. Once you're in the Privacy and Content section, scroll down until you see the option called Account Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it. You'll now be given two choices. You can either deactivate your account, which is temporary and lets you come back later, or you can choose to permanently delete your account. If you really want to remove everything and start fresh, tap on Initiate Deletion. Roblox will then ask you to enter your password one last time to confirm that it's really you. After entering your password, the deletion process will begin. Just a heads up, this action is permanent and irreversible. That means all your Robux, items, games, and account data will be completely gone, and you won't be able to recover it later. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Roblox account in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.